I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Sign into your Apple ID and open Settings, then Messages. Once done, turn on the iMessage toggle so messages go through Apple's servers. This enables blue bubbles and message effects. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is active so messages send immediately. Also enable send as SMS and MMS so text go through when iMessage is unavailable. That prevents failed sends. These steps set a reliable baseline before you open Messages and tap the new message icon or pick a conversation to continue. Type in the text field, then tap the app drawer to add photos, stickers, or an emoji. These enrich communication and explain tone visually. Hold the blue send arrow to apply bubble or screen effects, which emphasize mood. Double tap a message to add a tapback reaction for quick responses. Make sure you know how to attach media and use effects, so your messages are clearer and more expressive. You finish by managing the thread. Tap the contact name for details, share your location, or mute notifications if needed. To keep conversations across devices, enable Messages in iCloud under Settings so everything syncs and saves storage. If a message won't send or iMessage won't activate, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings Messages, restart the iPhone X, then sign back in. This often forces reactivation. If problems persist, check Apple System status or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.